Today, children, we are going to see sequences and series introduction. What is sequences? Sequences means any group, anything you take, if it is in order, it is called sequence. Any set, it may be numbers or anything, set with order is a sequence. Series. What is series? Series meaning is that sequences, bunch of sequences, or group of numbers, what is taken as sequence, that if you put it together with the addition sign, sequences with addition sign is called order. Addition sign is called series. So sequences means anything. If you take any pens, different color pens, if it is in some order, same order, it is called sequences. For example, if you take the number 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, it goes like this. Okay. Here, if you see, difference between two numbers will be, each two numbers, if you take pair of numbers 1 and 3, what is the difference? 3 minus 1 is 2. Next two numbers, 3 and 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. So if you take it as T1, T2, T3, we can take the difference D is T2 minus T1 and or T3 minus T2, it goes like this. So if the differences are equal, then it is in the order, we can say it is sequence. So D for difference. And first number is taken as A. A is always first number. Here A is 1. So here sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7. If you take for example, difference between two numbers must be equal. Then we can say it is in the order, the difference equal. So we can say, but we are subtracting. So here difference is here, if you take 2. So D is here 2. And A is the first number 1. Here formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a formula for AP to find the terms. What is AP? AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So we are going to see arithmetic progression and GP geometric progression. GP is geometric progression for sequences and series progression. And what is series? This bunch of numbers you have taken, if you write in this way with addition sign, the sequences, if you write together with a plus sign, then it is called series. Here, if you take these numbers in AP, here it is called series. Now shall we go to AP? Now we are going to formula for arithmetic progression AP. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D to find the terms. If we ask you to find 10th term, you must apply n equal to 10 and you have to find out. And here AP, it will be in the form of A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. This is in AP form. Now, if they ask you to find out sum of the terms in AP, formula is Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First, by heart this formulas. This is a formula. Now, if you take GP, geometric progression, here if you take one example 1, 3, 9, 27, here it is in division. The difference is here ratio between these two numbers. When you divide 3 by 1 equal to 3. When you divide second, third by second, R3 by R2. If you divide 9 by 3 is 3. In AP or GP, the difference here will be equal, must be equal. Here also the ratio must be equal. So we can equate T R2 minus R1, R2 by R1 equal to R3 by R2. Same way in AP, T2 minus T1 can be, we can equate with T3 minus T2. Like that it is equal. All the difference are equal. Here ratios are equal. Here Tn is A r power n minus 1. That is your formula for Tn. And your Sn, sum of the term in GP is A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r when r is less than 1. When r is greater than 1, A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. When r is less than 1, this is a formula. When r is greater than 1, this is a formula. So children, I hope you understand the concept of sequences and series. So sequence means if you write any numbers in the order, the difference must be equal. So it is called sequence. And series means if the same sequences, if you write with the plus sign, addition sign, then it is called series. And we are going to AP. In AP, we are taking the formula A plus AP is in Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 d, where AP form is A minus d, A plus d, A plus 2d. It goes like that. Sum of the terms in AP is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And GP is, you can write it in division ratio, that is second number if you divide by 5 number, what you are getting, that same ratio when you divide third by second or fourth by third, the ratio must be equal. And here r must be equal, r is a ratio, and similarly a is the first term, and Tn is A or n minus 1 power n minus 1, and sum of the term Sn is A into 1 minus r power n when r is less than 1. When r is greater than 1, A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Thank you for watching.